working in a bridal shop in Flushing, Queens, till her boyfriend kicked her out in one of those crushing scenes. What was she to do? Where was she to go? She was out on her fanny. So over the bridge from Flushing to the Sheffield's door, she was there to sell makeup, but the father saw more. She had style, she had flair, she was there. That's how she became the nanny. Who would have guessed that the girl we described was just exactly what the doctor prescribed? Now the father finds her beguiling. Watch out, CC. And the kids are actually smiling. Such joie de vivre. She's the lady in red when everybody else is wearing tan. The flashy girl from Flushing, the nanny named Fran.
Bells, it is your girl MelissaDanielle, and I am bringing you the haul of the year. Even though it's the first haul of this year. Growing up, I was a huge fan of the nanny. Her style was everything. Like the first couple of seasons were because it was too like crazy and colorful for me, but as the seasons progressed, honey, I think they changed the stylist on the show, and her style resonated with me on such a level I can't even let you guys know how much I felt it. Sizing right now, God, I don't even know. Like I have picked up a few pounds over the holidays. I'm not even gonna lie, because I was getting down. So I'm gonna say I'm between a 1X and a 2X. The first outfit I want to show you guys is this dress. It's called the Highlight Sequin Maxi Dress in the color burgundy, a size 2X, and it is $49.99. I told you guys in the past that when it comes to sequin items, I always size up because they tend to run smaller in my opinion. This is inspired by this beautiful sequin dress that the nanny was wearing. This one fits great. It's so super duper sexy. I love the fact that the slit is on the side and the front rather than in the middle. I don't like middle slits. And there is like a waistline in here so that it separates the bodice from the bottom of the dress. This next one is inspired by this gorgeous satin, like heart line, tailored to the maximum dress that she was wearing at this event. The one I have on is called the Anika Satin Maxi Dress in the color Hot Pink. In my previous haul, I got this in a size 2X because like I said, when it comes to satin and sequins, I tend to size up. And even in a 2X, I was not able to fit it. So I got another one in a size 3X, and the 3X fits great. The only thing with this one is that it's backless. You guys know I don't do backless, and I am wearing shapewear in this video, so like the shapewear is showing through. But it is sexy. It is sexy. And if you don't mind having your rolls hanging out, baby girl, you go ahead and rock that dress without anything underneath it. It is sexy. And you guys know Valentine's Day is coming up, so get your hands on this dress. This next look, I don't know. Like, I'm so torn. I feel like it's my favorite because it's so cute. And I can totally see myself completely adapting this style because I think it's so adorable. But this is inspired by this cute little orange daisy flower piece set. It's called Peace Out Sweater Skirt Set in the color Tan Multi, size 2X, $49.99. Honestly, I think I should have got this in a 3X because, baby, I had to keep pulling this shirt down. I got big boobs, and it was just not letting my boobs live. It was like, girls, let's come out and play. I was like, hold a minute. The skirt fits perfect. This outfit is so cute. I just paired it with these matching shoes and purse that are also from Fashion Nova. It's giving. This next set, oh my God. It was so funny. I saw this picture of her. I said, it's so cute. And I was on Fashion Nova. I just happened to run into this outfit, which is actually part of their clearance section. They didn't have any sizes that I would normally get. Normally I would get a 1X. They only had a 3X left, so I got the 3X. And it did fit big and loose, but like once I put my stockings on, it was able to cling better. It's so freaking cute, and it's serving what it's supposed to serve for this look. And I just matched it with some, I think I have like some furry slides on. And then my Louis Vuitton purse. Not Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. So this outfit is called Fierce One Leopard Skirt Set and Taupe Combo, size 3X. Like I said, it's on clearance. So this next outfit, oh my God, I love this outfit too. Oh, I'm so torn. Okay, so this next outfit, guys, I'm so freaking torn. Like, I forgot all about this. Like, I don't know why. It's such a simple outfit. It's just a black turtleneck and a skirt. So this skirt is called I Know a Place Skirt. So it's actually shorts with a skirt over the top of it. I got a size 2X. I should have got a 1X because it's loose around the waist, but the belt helped keep it in place. And it's $29.99. And guys, also keep in mind, Fashion Nova is always having a sale going on. So like, you'll see one price in my video and you'll go to the website and there's a sale going on. It's like half off or 80% off. And then when I first put it on, I loved it. But then when I put my accessories on it, this purse and these boots, baby, I was just like, I'm wearing this out. It just, sex on a platter. It is just sexy. It is so cute. So I have like my Faux Dior pairs and my shoes. I got these shoes years ago from Fashion Nova, so I don't think they're available anymore. I got this purse like a month or two ago. I did a haul on that previously. Okay, so the next one I got is this like form-fitting, body-hugging skirt. The material reminds me of like the stuff I used to get from Dots back like in the early 2000s. Just know it stretches really good and it hugs you and holds you in. It has like sort of a texture to it. It's not like a cotton material. It's thicker than that. It's giving me like stretchy work pants. I don't know how to describe it. I love this skirt. Like, it clings to you. It's high-waisted. It zips in the back. It holds your curves. It sucks your stomach in. I'm obsessed with this skirt. Anyways, I got a size 1X, and it's $29.99, and you need to go get it. And it's a black skirt, guys, a black bodycon skirt. You can wear this with anything. She paired hers with this. Well, I think she's wearing shorts in her picture, but I'm just doing an outfit that resembles what she did. But she had like a short set on, a black turtleneck, and then like this bomb leather jacket, which I have nothing that looks like that. But I thought this one would be good because it has like this faux fur collar that crisscrosses. This leather jacket is also from Fashion Nova as well. It came in white. I don't know if they still have it in white. I'm so mad because I wanted to get it, but when I ordered mine one time, it was out of stock. And they tend to restock items, but I don't know if they have it anymore. But anyways, she paired it with this bomb leather jacket. So I did the best that I could. But I think it's really, really cute. I would definitely wear this out. Okay, so next we have the Baby Tonight sequin dress in the color Fuchsia, size 2X, $34.99. This thing was hugging everything. Like, this was so, like, I don't want to say it was so tight, but I could have did this in a 3X. Like, so to me, it runs small, in my opinion. But it was clinging. Like, I would still wear it as it is because it's bomb. I would just make sure I put on like another piece of shapewear that's going to suck my stomach in. But I think it is so cute. It comes in different colors. You can wear like some black pumps or like some thigh-high boots, however you want to style it. But this dress is super duper stretchy. No zippers involved. I was able to just step into it and pull it up. It's cupping everything. Like, it is really, really cute, and I want this in different colors. So next, I have this dress I got a few months back. It's called the Always Flexing Velvet Leopard Midi dress. I love this dress because it has like a faux velvet texture to it. I'm trying to show you guys in the video. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it has a faux velvet feel to it, padded cups, gold chain straps, which are so sexy, a gold detailed zipper in the back, and it stretches so good. It is just so super duper sexy. As you guys can see the picture here, she paired hers with a turtleneck, and she also paired it with matching boots. So next we're having like a sort of like a coolest moment, like totally coolest. I have the Power Hour plaid mini dress in a size 2X, $44.99. This thing is stretchy, it's thick, and it's warm, and it's so freaking cute, and it has actual pockets on it in the front. Like, the nanny, she was always wearing like plaid or checkered, a lot of plaid. I felt this like really complimented the look you'll see in the picture of her here. And of course, it just represents her style because she's always wearing a lot of Chanel inspired suits and outfits. I was looking for some of those on Fashion Nova website because they normally have some, but I didn't see any of this go around. So yeah, but this one, honey, I love it. It's fitting as it should fit. I think it's so sexy. Next we have the Independent Girl mini skirt set, taupe combo, size 2X. It is $69.99. I think it's cheaper than that, but yeah, $69.99. This outfit is thick. I did not know the material was going to be this nice, guys. I can see why the price is more expensive for it. It's a thicker quality material. There is no stretch on this thing. The texture of it is giving like a wool kind of sweater kind of feel to it, but it does not stretch. And baby girl, I need stretch. So like I said, this is a 2X. I could have got this in a 3X. Like, I could have got this in a 3X because I got to accommodate my butt, my back, my boobs, my arms, my thighs, everything. But it's super duper cute, and I can totally see her wearing this. I'm going to go sit on Mr. Sheffield's desk. Like, it's just totally the nanny. And I just paired mine with the red turtleneck because she's wearing one in the picture as well. So next, I was looking for just a checkered skirt like the one she's wearing in the picture. I couldn't find one like that, and I just happened to run into this two-piece set, and it just resembles two different outfits I saw her wear. But this is called the Make a Move a Fuzzy Sweater Skirt Set, a size 1X. It's fuzzy and super duper soft, and it's really, really cute. So it comes with this matching shirt. I personally, I don't know if I would wear the shirt and the skirt because it's a lot, but maybe if I didn't have the turtleneck on, I would like it better. I don't know, but it comes with a matching shirt. So next we have this Out Till Dawn sequin maxi dress. I have it in the color white, a size 3X, and it's $49.99. I got this one in a 3X because in my last haul I got the red one in a size 2X, and baby, she was not fitting at all. So I got this one in a size 3X, and it does fit. So next I have the All About Me fuzzy coat in the color orange. I actually own this coat in the color pink and in the color black, and I have that one in a size 2X. Now those two, the ones that I own, they are oversized and they're really big on me, so I ordered this one in a size 1X because it's the same coat, but it's small. Like, it fits really, really small. Like, it fits like almost like an extra large. Like, even my mom was like, Melissa, that look like an extra large. I said, I know, it fits weird. And I was looking at the reviews after I purchased it, and they were saying that it runs small. So I don't know if they changed it since I ordered mine, because I ordered my black and my pink one like a year or so ago, and I just ordered this one just now. So I don't know if it's changed or not, but just be mindful of that when you're ordering it. But it is so freaking fantastic. It's so bomb, and it's so similar to the one that she was wearing, even though hers was like a little bit more furry and fluffy. I think I actually prefer this one because it looks more modern and sleek and sophisticated, even though it's bright orange. And I just paired it with this matching set outfit. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below in the description bar. If you're not, go follow me over on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook. And all of those links will be down below in the description bar. All right, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Happy 2022. We're going to rock out this year. I love you guys. I will catch you next time. Mwah.